So, good morning and welcome. My name is Allan and I'm the Mind Alchemist. And yesterday I tried an experiment that I wanted to share with you. And if you work with this experiment, please give me some feedback so that I know that I'm on the right track. So, this is all about checking. I wanted to know to what degree certain statements affect my prosperity. So, the first statement I made was, it would be nice if I manifested $1 million before the end of next year. And when I checked that with my pendulum, the pendulum showed me that it was a minus 30. So it affected me in a negative way by having that statement. So then I thought, how could I do this in a better way? What is a better statement? And next statement is, I said, it would be nice if my wife manifested $1 million, and the outcome of that statement on me was 80%. There was an 80% improvement in the attraction factor for the statement. And then the other one that also gave me a really good outcome is when I asked a we question. It would be nice if we manifested $1 million, and that gave me a total 100. So we statements are very, very possible. Not only possible, but very beneficial. I then looked at another set of statements, which are, I would like to manifest $1 million before the end of next year. And that gave me a minus factor. So I moved the phone. It gave me a minus 50. I would like Donna to manifest $1 million. That gave me 100. And the last one was, I would like to manifest or I would like us to manifest, I should say. And that gave me a plus. There it goes, plus 100. So those are good statements also when you put us or we, or you send whatever you want for yourself, the energy towards someone else. It always comes back as a positive outcome for the person sending the energy. Now, one of the statements I got from Abraham-Hicks is in their book, I believe it's Asking It Is Given. They use the statement, wouldn't it be nice if? And when I asked, wouldn't it be nice if I manifested $1 million, I get a plus 100. So that tells me that the law of attraction is working in my favor. Wouldn't it be nice if we manifested $1 million? That's also in my favor. And wouldn't it be nice if Donna manifested $1 million? So the wouldn't it be nice statement is a very, very good statement to use to manifest your desires. And one of the things, the last thing that I checked was, so one of the things I checked at the very end is different words that I could use, such as wouldn't it be nice, which gave me 100% positive outcome. Wouldn't it be fun or wouldn't it be easy gave me a much lesser outcome. It was about, for wouldn't it be fun, it gave me maybe 50%. So wouldn't it be easy, 75%, which means that there is some kind of resistance. But when I changed the wouldn't it be to why is it so easy to manifest $1 million? Why is it so easy? It gives me 100%. And why is it so much fun to manifest $1 million? Also 100%. So I want you to take those statements, play with them, check them out, and see how it affects your manifestation process. My name is Allan, and I am the Mind Alchemist, wishing you a great day and great manifesting.